Okay, so you boot off the USB, you get to this screen, and you have to put HDAT2 underscore. You have to remember what version you're using. This is 76. It's going to go in and detect all your drives, find the drive that you want to wipe, so be careful. Obviously, if you get the wrong one, you're wiping all of your data. So I'm going to go in for this Toshiba. Then you can go to do device tests and wipe device menu. So you can either do the write or you can do the write, read, write, which will probably fix bad sectors as well. But I'm just going to do the write. Remember, that's going to do 3 things, so it's probably going to take a lot longer. So I'll just press yes, and then overwrite, 0 for overwrite, and it's going to go. It's going to tell you any bad sectors it finds, and the estimated time of finishing is 9 hours. So get ready, I'll let you watch the whole lot. Nah, I'll come back when it's done, but maybe I won't, so I've showed you all you need to know.